Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to export elements from Canva. If you've designed something in Canva and only want to export specific elements, not the entire page, there's a simple way to do it. This is especially useful when you're working with icons, logos, animations, or grouped designs that you want to reuse somewhere else. A lot of people miss this feature and end up downloading the whole page instead of just what they need. To begin, open your project in Canva. Make sure all the elements you want to export are visible on the canvas. Now, click on one element, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on the other elements you want to include. This allows you to select multiple elements at once. Clarification: Shift-click equals multi-select. You can select text, images, icons, or grouped designs. Make sure only the elements you want are selected. Once your elements are selected, look for the three dots, More Options. Click on it. From the menu, select Download Selection. Clarification: This option tells Canva to export only the selected elements, not the entire page. Now you'll be asked to choose a file format. Here are the most common options and when to use them. PNG, best for images and graphics, supports transparent background, great for logos, high quality. Use PNG when you want clean visuals, transparency, or general purpose images. SVG, Pro Feature, vector format, scales without losing quality, perfect for logos, icons, and illustrations. Use SVG when you need scalable graphics for websites, apps, or printing. JPEG, smaller file size, no transparency, slightly lower quality than PNG. Use JPEG when file size matters more than quality, e.g. web uploads. MP4 video, used for animated elements or videos, exports motion and transitions. Use MP4 when your selected elements include animations or moving graphics. After selecting your file type, click Download. Your selected elements will now be saved to your device as a separate file. Important tips: make sure elements are properly aligned before exporting. Use transparent background, PNG, for logos. Use SVG if you plan to resize later. Using Canva this way gives you full control over what you export and how you use it. To summarize, exporting elements from Canva involves selecting multiple elements using Shift, clicking the three dots, choosing Download Selection, and selecting the appropriate file type like PNG, SVG, or MP4. This allows you to export only what you need. And that's how to export elements from Canva. Once you start using this feature, it makes your workflow much more efficient. You're no longer stuck exporting entire pages just to get one small design. The key is choosing the right file format depending on your use case. That decision alone can make a big difference in quality and flexibility. As you get more experienced, you'll start thinking ahead, designing elements specifically for reuse across different projects. This is how you move from just creating designs to building a system that saves you time and effort. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye!